What's going on, everybody? So today we're back at the track with the RX-7. Now I did do another bar change on this, so I'm hoping it has a little bit of separation in the rear instead of squat before it was squatting. So there's a couple things I want to do today and get figured out. So one is the launch, two, make sure that the rear axle is doing what I want it to do, and then also today my goal is to do a better burnout and do at least a 1/360 foot or a 5 second in the 8th, whichever one comes first. It'd be cool to do a 1/360. The best it's done is a 1/44. So it's pretty busy over here. We got Justin over here gonna be helping me out today, and Kyle and Amelia are supposed to be coming out too. They're not here yet, of course, and I'm a little bit late, so I'm already all teched in and everything. I just need to load the tune-up in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and put the launch control back up, leave with like 7 to 8 pounds of boost and 3,500 RPM and see what it does, I guess.
That didn't sound good.
Oh no, dude.
What was that, the diff?
No, there's some U-joint pieces right there.
Oh yeah, the drive shaft.
Fuck.
I'd help push, but I'm filming.
Guys, that's right. Hands up. Hey.
You really rolled under over here. Whole car went up. No, it's alright. You guys have a way to get back up to the same thing?
You got a hybrid now? I don't hear it.
The tech dude's literally like, he's like, yeah.
We'll go all the way back up.
He's like, it sucked to break a U-joint. And I'm like, yeah, I haven't broke one yet. They're all brand new. It's supposed to be nice ones.
And then boom.
Dude, first hit, broke the U-joint.
Luckily I figured out how to record on this thing, bro.
Well, dude. Oh, dude, no, I definitely messed something up on the axle too, because look, my tire is rubbing on it. Dude, I definitely broke something on the front.
I don't know. It looked.
I honestly might have rotated the pinion like what Derek just did.
It looked pretty bad.
It might have rotated the whole pinion.
It came up all crazy.
It felt so shitty. I honestly think it might have rotated the axle tube housings.
I don't know. It didn't look good back there, dude.
I think it did. Yeah, it did. That's why it broke the joint.
Did it rotate the...
It did exactly what Derek's just did.
So the whole thing rotated?
The whole pumpkin is up like this.
Oh, damn.
Dude.
Well, this is what happens when you send it.
Right.
Well, with the four-leaf bracket is fire.
Oh yeah, boys.
Wasn't bad when you were just steering.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I just need you to, no, that should be okay. I just need someone to like hold it here. So thank you guys for helping me get up here. Dan's not over here, but Dan was helping too. Kyle literally just showed up and my car's already broken. So let me just show you guys what happened to it. This is gonna be terrible, but as you can see, that four-link bracket ripped all the way off the backside of the axle tube. So, and that caused it to rotate up and break the U-joint. So, sucks, but I'll put some new brackets on it and get some 9-inch ends and get rid of the C-clips. Alright guys, so we're back at the house, obviously. Just wanted to show you guys all the damage that actually happened. Now I do have it all jacked up. I did take the wheels off of it, so I've already looked at what's going on with it. Just wanted to show you guys what is damaged from just what I can see. So first things first is, as you guys saw in the video, the tires got chewed up pretty bad. Now, this is probably the worst right here. This is a huge gash in these tires, so definitely shot. The other one's not as bad, but I mean, they're done. So it's okay though. These were old tires. These are some tires I bought from, these are some tires that I bought from Derek. They're the 28x9s, and I actually set my car up to fit the 28x10.5. So let's order some new 28x10.5s. I'm glad I didn't order new tires because I was actually thinking about ordering new tires. It's a good thing I didn't, because I would have just ruined them. So I did show you guys at the track that the 4-link brackets were ripped off. So as you can see, obviously they're ripped off and they're bent pretty good. They're not cracked, so it's not super bad, but both of them are like that. So the other things that are obviously destroyed is the ends of the drive shaft and the flange that bolts onto the pinion. So obviously you're gonna have to hit up my dude Colin for a new shaft end and a new U-joint setup and everything, but that shouldn't be a very big deal to get fixed at all. So this leads me to my next point, and some of you guys might not like this, but so what I'm gonna be doing tonight is I'm actually gonna be removing the rear axle. So tomorrow morning I can head over to Wyatt's, and me and Wyatt may see about possibly just bending the brackets back and then adding a whole bunch of bracing and gussets to them, so that way this never happens again. And now that all depends on if anything inside the rear axle is actually damaged. So I haven't taken the case off of it yet to see if anything's wrong with any of the gears, but I will be doing that here in just a second. If anything is wrong with it, I may just end up waiting to get a nice axle built, because if anybody remembers, this is the budget 8/8 shortening, right? So I just shortened down the one side and then used the small side axle for both sides. So this has stock 31 spline axles in it, and it still has a C-clips. Now technically the disc brake, the caliper bracket, would hold the axle in if it breaks off, but it is still kind of sketch. It's one of those things that it's not gonna get a fully built axle until this wintertime probably, or if this is just completely destroyed and we can't reuse it, even if we bend the brackets back, it just might be a little while and the RX-7 might be down for a while. So we shall see though. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the rear axle apart. Just wanted to show you guys what actually was wrong with it from just looking at it, and don't know what's wrong with the internals like I said, but I'm hoping it's good. Got the rear axle out. Actually, it was pretty easy. It only took me about 20 minutes to pull out. Just looking at these brackets again, they do look, I don't know. So I was looking at them, they don't look like they're like ripped, like they don't have a crack through them where they bent, they're just bent. So these brackets are mild steel. Now, I don't really know. I did tell you guys that I was thinking of possibly bending them back and then welding them and putting nice braces on them and stuff and plating them so that way they can't rip there again. I'm gonna see what Wyatt says. Like I said, I'm gonna load up the rear axle right now. I'm gonna bring it to Wyatt's shop tomorrow. See if we can figure anything out that seems not very sketchy. You guys let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys think it's sketch to fix these brackets, plate them all in, make them all nice and sturdy so they don't rip again, hopefully? Or what do you guys think? I just wait for the end of the season, just say screw it, take everything back apart, redo the turbo setup, redo the rear axle setup, shorten it all up, do nice axles, nice ends, spool, make it set up nice, get some different wheels so it fits in there nicer, do the cage, all that stuff, or try and get it back together for Cletus and Cars in Houston, August 24th. That was one of the next events that I wanted to go to this whole summer, was just the Cletus and Cars, because I've never been, and I thought it'd be really cool to go down to Houston because I've been wanting to go to Texas for a while now. So let me know what you guys think down below. As always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't worry, we're gonna fix it. And until next time, guys, I guess we'll see you guys over at Wyatt's place in the next video.